Have hardly seen Geremu. He's been kind of anonymous in the back of the pack for the last hour and 40 minutes, because that's how long they've been out there now. Guille is still there for Tanzania. Kamworor recognising the danger here, and I think sensing that Tola has put his foot down. The 30-year-old silver medalist 2017, 5 years ago, gold medalist today on the streets of Eugene. He is world champion Tamirat Tola. What a run